Dallas homeowners know that the weather can be unpredictable. Long, scorching summers, sudden thunderstorms, high winds, and dramatic temperature swings all place heavy demands on a home's exterior, especially the entry door. Choosing the right entry door material isn't just about style, it's about durability, energy efficiency, and protection against the elements. The right door material can help keep your home comfortable, secure, and resilient year-round. Here's a guide to selecting the best entry door material for Dallas's hot summers and sudden storms. Fiberglass doors. A top choice for heat and moisture resistance, fiberglass entry doors are one of the most popular options for Dallas homes because they perform exceptionally well in extreme heat and humid conditions. Key advantages include resistance to warping, cracking, and swelling, excellent insulation for temperature control, ability to mimic wood grain without maintenance, strong performance during storms and heavy rain. Fiberglass doors maintain their shape and appearance even when temperatures soar, making them ideal for Dallas summers. Steel doors. Strength and storm protection for homeowners who prioritize security and durability. Steel doors are a reliable choice. Modern steel doors are constructed with insulated cores that improve energy efficiency while providing exceptional strength. Benefits of steel doors include high resistance to impact and forced entry, strong insulation against heat transfer, long-lasting performance during severe weather, minimal maintenance when properly coated. Steel doors offer peace of mind during sudden storms while helping regulate indoor temperatures. Composite doors. Engineered for performance, composite entry doors combine multiple materials to deliver superior durability and insulation. These doors are designed to handle extreme conditions without the weaknesses of single material options. Advantages include high resistance to moisture and temperature changes, excellent energy efficiency, long-term structural stability, low maintenance requirements. Composite doors are a smart option for Dallas homeowners seeking long-term performance and reliability. Why traditional wood doors require extra care while wood doors offer timeless beauty? They can be challenging in Dallas's climate. Heat, humidity, and sudden storms can cause wood to expand, crack, or warp if not properly maintained. Wood doors may require regular sealing or painting, ongoing moisture protection, frequent inspections for damage. For homeowners willing to commit to maintenance, wood doors can work, but many choose more resilient materials for peace of mind. Insulated cores improve energy efficiency regardless of material. Energy efficiency is essential during Dallas's hot summers. Many modern entry doors include insulated cores that reduce heat transfer. Insulated doors help keep cool air inside during summer, reduce strain on air conditioning systems, lower energy bills, maintain consistent indoor temperatures. This is especially important for entry doors exposed to direct sunlight. Weather-resistant finishes protect against storms. High-quality finishes and coatings play a critical role in protecting entry doors from rain, wind, and UV exposure. Look for doors with UV-resistant finishes, corrosion-resistant coatings, durable sealants around edges. These features extend the door's lifespan and preserve its appearance through Dallas's unpredictable weather. Professional installation maximizes performance. Even the best door material won't perform well if it's installed incorrectly. Professional installation ensures proper alignment and sealing, secure anchoring for storm resistance, tight weather stripping to block heat and moisture. Correct installation is essential for durability and efficiency. A smart door choice for Dallas homes. Choosing the right entry door material is a critical decision for Dallas homeowners facing hot summers and sudden storms. Fiberglass, steel, and composite doors offer the durability, insulation, and weather resistance needed to protect your home and maintain comfort. By selecting a door material designed for Dallas's climate and ensuring professional installation, you'll enjoy long-lasting performance, lower energy costs, and peace of mind through every season.